Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how you can turn on dark mode on Chrome just within one click. Not even the dark mode, even shifting from dark mode to light mode within a second. So open Chrome and at the right top corner you will find these three dots. You need to click on these three dots and here you will find settings here. Okay, you need to use this drop down, then you will find the settings gear icon. Click on this and this will open your Chrome settings, and at the left side, see here, you will find an option called appearance. Click on the appearance, and under appearance you will find an option called theme here, and see here mode. This mode is called the changing dark mode into light mode, light mode into dark mode, and currently this mode is light. I'm just changing it to dark, so there is no need to save or anything. Whatever I search here, will be in the dark mode here from now on. So but by if any chance if you want another light again, same, click on the settings, then click on appearance, then change it to light mode. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.